Today's good thought is practice makes man perfect. Today's good thought is worker is worship. Today's good thought is sound mind in sound body. निरोगी शरीरात निरोगी मन वास करते. Good thought is experience is the best teacher. अनुभव हा सर्वश्रेष्ठ गुरु आहे. Today's good thought is knowledge is power. ज्ञान ही खरी शक्ती आहे. Today's good thought is hope is walking dream. आशा हे जागेपणीचे स्वप्न आहे. Today's good thought is health is wealth. Good thought is time is money. वेळ मूल्यवान आहे, त्याचा योग्य वापर करा. Today's good thought is confidence is a key to success. आत्मविश्वास ही यशाची गुरुकिल्ली आहे.